Hello, I'm going to explain the second experiment on C Sharp, which is based on operator overloading. So the task given here is to design and develop a menu-driven console application to perform the various operations on matrix class. And initially what we need to do is create a matrix class, declare the integer variables to represent the rows and columns, declare a two-dimensional array, and then we need to add the instance constructor and overloaded constructor. Then we need to have a display function. Then we need to overload these operators, and we need to do implicit type conversion here, write the necessary code to convert into matrix object and vice versa. Now the matrix test class, add main method here and demonstrate the matrix operations. So I have my code here. So this is my matrix class where I have rows and columns declared. This is my matrix array. Then this is my first instance constructor, and I have my argumented constructor. We have a display function as per asked in the question. Now I am starting to overload my plus operator. So plus operator is here. First I am checking if the rows and columns are same, and then I am actually storing it in a other variable, and I am performing the operations over here. Okay, and then I'm returning the matrix. Okay, now static bool operator equal to where I'm taking two matrices as my object, then I'm comparing them, and then I'm returning true or false as in when they are equal or not. And if we overload the equal to operator, we need to overload the not equal to operator by default. So again we have overloaded this over here, and then the minus operator we were asked to overload between two functions. Here basically what I have done is I have taken a temporary variable where the c dot r, that is the number of rows and columns, is being checked. Then I am actually declaring it over here. Matrix E is my new matrix which is taking the variables, and here the operations is being performed in matrix E. That is matrix C dot matrix minus D dot matrix is being stored in E, and then I am returning my matrix C because everything is of type matrix, so I need to return an object, right? So I am doing that. Now here it is implicit conversion of operator int to matrix, and this is the explicit conversion, and this is my main method where I have the row, columns, all specifications as and when. Okay, so I'll maybe enter the row and column. I'll run the program again 2, and enter the values, maybe 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again second row and column. So again if I enter 2 and 2, let these be equal to avoid complications. 4, 3, 2, 1, and missed. Okay, so we have resultant array where it's giving addition, subtraction, obviously because we did the matrices are equal, and the resultant array after conversion, and the sum is 20. Okay, so all the operations are being performed dynamically, and then I am finally getting my sum as 20 over here. Well, so this is what explains operator overloading. Thank you.